Ndewonu Igbo ọma ndị na-ege m ntị, ọ ka bụkwa Nwada Eudora Chukwuka na-ewetara gị nkụzi nke ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo lesson for beginners. N'ebe a ka anyị na-akụzi etu esi agụ, etu esi ede, yana ka esi asụ Igbo nke ọma. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell beside it to get the updates of our new videos. In our previous videos, we talked about ABD Igbo, which is the Igbo alphabet, Odaume, the vowels, Mboshume, the consonants, and today we will be talking about Odambe. Odambe is called blends. It's a little bit different from the English version, which is called diphthongs. Here we are going to recite the Igbo alphabet and identify the Odambe in this Igbo alphabet. These are the Igbo alphabets. So let's recite the Igbo alphabet and identify the Odambe from them. A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, W, R, H, I, J, K, P, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, O, V, Z. These are the Igbo alphabets, Igbo, and we are going to identify Odambe from these alphabets. The Odambe are the letters that are two. That is two in one letter. Those ones that are two in numbers, like she, we, re, ne, she. These are the Odambe, and they are 9 in numbers. We are going to write them out and form words using the Odambe. Nke a bụ Odambe Igbo. These are the Odambe. I have written them down and also form words using the Odambe. So we're going to read them out now. She, we, re, pe, ne, she. And the first one, she, sheta, Cheta, remember. Cheta in Igbo, remember in English. Shikota, shikota, gather. Shikota, gather. Shinshi, box. Shinshi, box. We, gbajie, gbajie, break. Gbajie, break. Gbaghara, gbaghara, forgive. Gbaghara, forgive. Gbanye, gbanye, pour. Gbanye, pour. Gwe, gwara, gwara, tell. Gworo, heal. Gworo, heal. Gwongworo, gwongworo, truck. Gwongworo, truck. Ghi, ghọta, understand. Ghọta, understand. Ghọrọ, ghọrọ, pluck. Ghọrọ, pluck. Kpi, kpọpụta, mention. Kpọpụta, mention. Kpọchie, lock. Kpọchie, lock. Kpakpando, star. Kpakpando, star. Kwi, kwado. Kwi, kwado. Prepare. Kwuo, say. Kwuo, say. Nwi, nwanyị, female. Nwanyị, female. Nwatakịrị, child. Nwatakịrị, child. Nwunye, wife. Nwunye, wife. Nyere, give. Nyere, give. Nya, drive. Nya, drive. She, Esha. She, Esha. In this letter, we don't have word that starts or begin with she sound or she letter in Igbo language. We only have this one, Esha, which is shrimp in English. Esha, shrimp in English. We are going to talk about Nyiri Odaume. We are going to identify Nyiri Odaume from Igbo alphabet. These are the Igbo alphabets, and we are going to identify Nyiri Odaume from them. Nyiri Odaume are the letters that sound similar when pronouncing them, but different words, but they sound similar. They are she, me, ne, she. When you look at this letter, you will notice that me and ne sound similar, and she sound similar. So that's why we call them Nyiri Odaume. And we have formed words using the Nyiri Odaume, and they are me, mmiri, water, mmiri, water, mmanya, mineral, ne, nkume, stone, nkume, stone, nkata, basket, nkata, basket. She, sheta, sheta, remember, sheta, remember. Chinchi, box, chinchi, box. She, esha, shrimp, esha, shrimp. These are the Nyiri Udaume, and there are only 4. Some people do say they are 2, but you can see they are 4 in numbers. Ebe a ka anyị na-abịa n'isi njedebe n'ihe ọmụmụ anyị nke ụbọchị nke taa. Eji m n'aka na ị mụtara otu ihe ma ọ bụ abụọ n'ihe nke anyị kụziri na ụdamkpe na Nyiri Udaume n'ụbọchị nke taa. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like and share to your friends. Learning to say the letters is the first step towards learning Igbo properly. Always remember to speak Igbo to your children, ma ị bụrụ nwa afọ Igbo, no matter where you are. Subakwa Igbo, ka emesịa.